Hey guys, it's me Xavier, and for this video today, I'm going to be reacting to Sneezing More Than Twice in a Row by Caleb City. Finally, sorry, it's been a while, Caleb. Uh, but I don't really have much of a problem with when people sneeze more than twice. I mean, it can be a little annoying when that does happen. However, my problem more so is the fact that you can't. Sorry, wait, I'll say it. Not I want to block it. I guess is the best way of putting it. You know when you put your hand over there, or at least holding your mouth. So pause. I don't know how to explain it, but whenever most of the time when I sneeze, whenever I can, because sometimes you can't help but just like sneeze, go like choo and let it all out. But sometimes when I sneeze, I try to hold it in and it you know makes it close my mouth and it makes it so the sneeze doesn't come out as loudly. I'm not explaining it very well, but I can do it. Obviously, I can't I can't show you it now because I can't sneeze on command. But yeah, my problem is when people can't do that, like my mom, for instance. And it especially hurts because she sometimes in the car she does sneeze more than twice, and she does it so loudly in the car, and it's in the car, so obviously that shit echoes in my ear. It's so fucking annoying. Although to be fair, she's the one usually driving, so I mean, she usually covers her mouth with her hand when she sneezes, so I partially don't blame her, but it's still annoying as shit. I'm sorry, mom. If you ever watch this, you probably won't ever. But yeah, if you ever see this, it's not your fault. I get it, but it's still annoying as shit.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bless you.
Yeah, nah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, hey, hey! What we gotta do all this for now? It's just the rules, Henry. You know the rules, and so do I. Come on, man. Just give up on that already. Never gonna give it up. Just let the gun down. Never gonna let it down. Let's just run along and forget this whole thing, huh? Never gonna run around or desert it. You're gonna make me cry, man. Never gonna make you cry. Enough! Why should I even let you live? Just think about it, man. We ain't even gotta do all this. We
You're gonna have to die now. I knew it.
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
But uh, oh, bro, I haven't seen that run in such a long time. Oh, that shit. Why do you always run so goofy like that, bro? Oh man, takes me back. Get at him.
I'll catch you one day. I'll catch you.
Okay, wait. Okay. Oh shit. Hi. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry. I usually wait until the thing pops back up, which it has done now. So yes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry. But some I had to make sure he didn't add in a post credit scene like he does sometimes that somehow only manages to last a second, yet still funny as shit sometimes. I don't know how he manages to do that, but anyways, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye. Don't question the glove coming off, by the way. I had to. Bye.